What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be focusing on the rear end, and today we're going to be getting a new wing installed. Stay tuned. Today we're going to be getting this wing installed. It is not an OEM wing, but we are going to be installing it, and I think it's going to look pretty good. So we have 2 bolts on either side. It did come with hardware and everything. And we're also going to have to be getting that repainted along with this, because this is black right now. I know right now we're pretty much in the shade, so you can't really see too much. So I'm going to try to film it the best that I can. But we will be, pretty much we're going to put some tape down on here, get everything placed where I feel I would like it. Actually, we might even just take this off. I think taking it off and installing it together off the car, it's just going to be much easier. So let's go ahead and get that removed. To remove it, you're going to have two 10s there and 2 10s right there. Alright guys, so we got both pieces pretty much right here. We know it's going to be in this general area. So pretty much what you're going to see me do, I'm going to put it on a time lapse. I'm just going to go ahead and get all of this pretty much masked off. It's not really too necessary, but I'm going to do it anyways just so I can see my marks. I'm going to try to get it exactly where I want it, and I'm going to mark it out, and then we'll get the holes drilled, get it mounted up, get it back on the car, and then probably get it painted after that. But in this video, it should all be painted, hopefully. So the cable right now is ran as well. I'm not going to attach it right now, but we will. So for now, we're just going to keep it right there. Let's get it all bolted up. Damn! There it is. So they do come with like these gaps right here. I'm thinking about actually enclosing it. I don't like that, and everybody I see that has it, it has the same thing. Inner side though, it's not too bad, but again right here, a gap. So that we may end up doing some body working on, but there it is. Check it out. That looks so cool. Oh yeah, just gives it a nice little sportier look. Very happy.
chance to be ruthless.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna...
Alright guys, so there it is, just finished, and it's not perfect. I didn't wet sand it at all, but you can see it's kind of hard to tell on camera, but there is a nice reflection. It's not the best, like I said, we didn't wet sand it, and plus, you guys already know, this wing is going to have to be painted. We actually missed a spot right there. Focus it right there. We did miss a spot, plus we did run out of clear coat. But it looks really good for now, and then this looks pretty good as well, because we did it the best we can. So I'm gonna set you guys up right now, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the brake light looks like as well. Alright, so there you guys go. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. The wing looks so good, and I'm very, very happy with it. We will be pulling it off. Like I said, we will be getting this resprayed and clear coated. It was just very hard to kind of get it set up. The whole car needs a really good detail, but we do have a big part coming in for the CRV, plus we do have a new part coming in for the G35 to start rebuilding everything. So stay tuned for it. A lot of good stuff to come. I'm very excited. This thing is really starting to come together. I'm really starting to fall in love with the look. I know I said I was gonna do the rear bumper, but we're not gonna focus on that. I'm actually gonna just do that kind of off camera over the next few days. We've already done so much body work. When we paint it, I will film that, but I'm not gonna go ahead and film doing more body work stuff right now. What else? I think that's pretty much about it, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you guys are not already. We're almost to, I think, 6,500 subscribers. We're 10 away, at least while I'm filming this. My ultimate goal, guys, 10,000. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, that is going to be so unreal. I'm freaking so hyped for it. It's going to be a huge accomplishment, I feel. So go ahead and subscribe, guys, if you're not already. Leave a thumbs up. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. A lot more great stuff to come. And until next time, peace.